Hey everybody, this is Rich, down on the river, Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today's not going to be a cooking video or anything. It's going to be a 1,500 subscriber giveaway video, announcement. But it's shout outs. I'll tell you what, it's hard to pick individuals for your shout outs, but again, thanks everybody for your support, and we're up over 1,500 and almost 70 subscribers by now. I'm a little late getting this one out. So, and over 131,000 views on the channel, and for everybody that has contributed and supported and watched, I do appreciate it. Now, everybody knows that T-Roy Cooks and James, Damon, McLean, and Lyle is the first, pretty much the first three that took me in and, really explained some things to me and got me on the right track. I want to thank those guys. You know who they are. If you watch my channel, you know who they are. I will leave their links in the description box. But as far as everybody else, I cannot leave a lot. I mean, I can't, it's tough. I don't want to leave anybody out. So to everybody that has contributed and watched, thank you so much. And especially to my family for supporting this crazy idea. So I reached out to a couple people that I know and asked them if they would be willing to donate a couple things for a giveaway. Now, I did hit Lou Castro up at TXQ, and he is giving up bottles of his 956 rub and his 214 rubs, which are very good. I'll leave his link in the description box. You can go buy them, or you can wait and leave a comment and win your own. So that's the first one. Lou's down there from Southern Texas, I believe. Real nice guy. Haven't talked to him too much, but I know that he posts videos everywhere of his cooks and seems to be a real personable guy to me. So again, Lou, thank you for the items to give away. Now, the other gentleman that I hit up, I've actually tried his rub and sauces before, and Mr. Dan Wright of the Wright BBQ Company has offered up a thing of rub and a thing of barbecue sauce and a shaker for one of my lucky subscribers, or one of my lucky winners. And he has some cards which I'll send with this. So that's the second giveaway. Now, I'm trying to make one really big item, but it was tough to, get a big item. But however, small items mean a whole lot. So I'm still an affiliate of Thermoworks. I hit Thermoworks up, and they offered up a Thermopop red also for the giveaway. So, guys, I think that's pretty cool of everybody. Thanks everybody that did, give items away, give to me to give away. So I'll leave everybody's link to their company or website down in the description box. Lou Castro's will be down there, Dan Wright's will be there, and everybody knows the Thermoworks, and I'll leave their link down there too. Plus, check out the new IR, the new Thermapen-IR in turquoise. I think they're running a sale on that stuff, so make sure you use my affiliate links in the bottom to go check it out. Again, we're gonna wait probably 2 weeks to let everybody get in their comments, and I will answer your comments. I don't think it messes with the YouTube random comment generator that I'm going to use. So, guys, thanks for the support. In 2 weeks, I'll put out the winter video, and I got some cook videos coming out between now and then. So, guys, thanks for everybody's support. Thanks for everybody that's done for my channel and me personally. Share with your friends and family in the world. And when you do share with them, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.